Hello and welcome to the white, gray, and black channel. This is my first video on this channel and today we are going to learn how to install Burp Suite. Okay, let's navigate to Chrome or any other web browser available. Let's type in Burp Suite on the search bar. Now you click on the first link. Yes, this is the link. portswinger.net. Now you navigate to Products. And click on Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on Go straight to Downloads. Then, from the drop-down you select your operating system. If you are using the Linux operating system, a Mac operating system, or a Windows operating system, you select it from here. Then you click Download. Then you select where you are going to save the file. Now, our download has started. And this is our Burp Suite Community Edition. So, we are going to install it. Double-click on the downloaded file. Click on Next. Click on Next. That is if you don't want to change the directory. Click on Next. Now we are going to wait for it to finish installing. Now click on Finish. Then, open your search bar and search for Burp Suite. Click on Open. Then wait patiently for Burp Suite to finish loading. Click on Next. Click on Start Burp. Wait for it to finish loading. Here you go. This is your Burp Suite Community Edition. You can do pretty much everything on the Community Edition. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Burp Suite with Firefox and how to set up your proxy. Do ensure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload another video.